3, 2, 1. Holy
On this season of Say Yes to the Dress, here we go again!
I'm gonna go find my wedding dress.
I know what you like, and it's $12,000.
Why?
The princess is here.
I want to go and get her dress. See ya!
I just never thought I would look this good.
It's perfect.
In the fire, we lost our home, my wedding dress. Yeah, it's tough.
The dress and the veil is a gift from us.
Can y'all take my boobs like that? We're back for the 3rd time. I'm not gonna let her walk down the aisle looking crazy.
My little niece is all grown up.
Uncle Randy.
Oh my God. You look like an angel. This is one of the best days of my life. That's how you do it, Finoli style. Barcelona Bridal Fashion Week is the largest bridal expo in the world, and I'm showcasing my newest collection. My nerves are a wreck. What's going on? She's been here for an hour. We should have been lined up 15 minutes ago, and we don't even have anybody in the first dress. It's gonna look horrid.
Well, I feel bad saying it's trash, but this isn't your dress.
Oh my, Anna! You said we had to be honest. We are.
I don't like it. Your taste is very, very crappy.
No. I could have stayed at home, so pick out a dress.
You kidding me right now?
Yes!
Oh, my dead body, no.
I feel like I look like a trucker. You pick something like this? This is disgusting.
Oh my God.
I love it.
I don't like it. It's ugly. Could you move to another in her race?
I'm right here.
You see me?
I have to step away. I've never seen anything like this. I don't want to be a part of this anymore.
Hi, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and return for new videos every single week. Don't forget to hit that like button. No, seriously, you should hit it now.